Welcome everybody. Today we are going to paint a picture of a clown using pointillism. Now the clown picture that we're going to use is going to look like this. You're going to have a copy of it. Pointillism. One of the words that you see in pointillism is the word point. A point is the same thing as a dot. So, that is a point. That is a dot. A point, a dot, a point, a dot. Different color. Points, dots, points, dots. Again, this is a point, which is the same thing as a dot. This is a point, which is the same thing as a dot. So, in pointillism, you draw not using a straight line. No, don't draw using a straight line. Draw using points or dots. Maybe we should call it dotillism. The first thing you do is you go down to the dock and you will look for Tux Paint. It has a penguin on it. You will open Tux Paint by selecting it by clicking on it. Now there will probably be a picture already drawn on it, so what you want to do is you want to come over to New, select New. It will give you a background to select, so you want to select the white color because the background is white. Double click and then it will open up. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to start drawing the clown using pointillism. I would focus on brushes, using the colors down here that match the colors on the clown's face, and I would use these different circles. The larger circles for big spaces, the smaller circles for smaller spaces as it goes down to where you just need really small spaces. So to begin with, I'm going to draw the outline of the clown's face. I'm going to select the color black because the color is black, and I'm going to select a medium brush. And what to do with pointillism is you don't draw lines, you put points. You put points by just clicking on it. You don't have to draw it, you just point where it is and you click it. I don't want any solid lines. If you make a mistake, you can select the eraser. And again, you can select the size, and you can erase. And then go back to Paint. Make sure you have the correct brush size and color, and then you can continue making your picture. Now, once I have the general outline of the face, then I'm going to go for the nose, which would be in the center, and that color would be red. Since it's a center red, I could just use one great big dot. I don't quite like the placement there, so I'm going to erase it. Now, to work on eyes, I would use a different color, and I would use also a different size. And I'm going to use sort of a blue-gray right here, so I'm going to use the light blue. I want to put the eyes in right here, so I'm going to use the eyes, which would be the color black. I'm going to use a smaller point for that. Then I'm going to move on to the hair, which is a darker blue. The hair would come out of here. These are the parts of his ears. So I'm going to select the dark blue color, and I'm going to use a bigger dot for that. And then smaller dot to finish it out. Again, on the left side I'm going to make the hair, and I'm going to start with a bigger color, bigger dot. And then go to a smaller dot, which is over here, the smaller dot, point. And then let me see, I'm going to do the hat, which is yellow. I'll select a medium-sized dot for that. And then finally I'm going to move down to the mouth, which is a green color. I like this green color right here. For that I'm going to use a For the inside of the mouth, I'm going to use the black, and I'm going to use a small dot. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of the green right here and around side the mouth. And again, remember, go back to the medium dot. When you're finished, please go click the text button, which the text button is right here. Text, text. Click it. And then put your name on it. And you will be finished. I want to thank you very much for your time. Goodbye. Untitled.